Congress leader Ashwini Kumar Mishra. And Ashwini Kumar Mishra, जेल तो हिमंता जी जाएंगे जब जाएंगे. Rahul Gandhi had applied for bail, had appeared in the court for bail just hours before he reached Assam. And now he's calling the election commission a chore. Then why doesn't the Congress chief minister of Himachal or maybe Telangana or Karnataka resign because election commission ne to chori ki hai? So these three chief ministers should resign from their positions. And above all, I want to really ask you, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his anger towards Himanta Biswa Sarma, is this something to do with the truths that hit home? Because when Himanta Biswa Sarma quit the Congress party, he said whenever he went to Rahul Gandhi to discuss the issues of Assam, Rahul Gandhi was only playing with his pet doggy, Piddi, and feeding him biscuits, not interested in what people of Assam wanted. Is that why there is some personal animosity?
Navika ji, the problem is when you speak for people, when you speak for the nation, when you speak for the deprived, obviously those who are against is not going to like it and going to put cases on you. And that is what is happening on when Rahul Gandhi speaks for people, Bharatiya Janata Party puts cases on him, but we are not bothered about all those cases. We will keep speaking for the people. The problem is when you make corrupt people sit on the throne, essentially we are slowly letting the democracy dies, and that is what is happening in the country. Bharatiya Janata Party has become an epitome of corruption. All those people whom they used to call, themselves used to call like the Maha Corrupt, 70,000 crore, Chakki piecing, epitome of corruption. Now they all joined Bharatiya Janata Party, got distilled into their washing machine, and now
Lalu Prasad Yadav ko jail mein dala tha. The Chara Ghotala happened, the arrest happened in the Congress rule. You are also friends with them. Isn't it a case of pot calling the kettle black, Shehzad Poonawalla? Because I don't see too much difference between friends and foes as far as the Congress is concerned. But Lalu is today Bhagat Singh.
Navika, we live amongst those people who call Mughals as ambassador of peace, constitutional bodies like ACI as Dalal and Chor, those who say Sutra of media as dash dash, and convicted Lalu is a freedom fighter like Shahid Bhagat Singh. Now, Kanhaiya Kumar in the past has even called Naxals as Atankwadis and Naxals as Shahid, and has said that they are not Atankwadis. So having been disallowed on Lalu's van or Tejaswi's van, now he said two things. He said that Lalu is not corrupt even though court has convicted him, and the English, how they have convicted Bhagat Singh, that way the conviction has taken place. So whom is he saying is English? UPA government, because Laluji got convicted in 2013 first. He was put in jail in 97, which was a United Front government. So he has said UPA is like the British government. And secondly, the court of people is absolving the election commission and is electing Himanta Biswa Sarma. They are chore. And the court of law has convicted Lalu Prasad. Now he has just said ki corrupt people sitting on the throne. There is only one convicted corrupt person. You can show all many photos. Good, show it. The conviction is the standard. And in the conviction standard, there is only one convicted corrupt person in the political history, and that is Lalu Prasad. Bangaru Lakshman, by the way, when there was allegation on him, he quit his post and got convicted subsequently. This is the BJP. No corruption is tolerated. Your convicted person is the president of RJD. But last 20-30 seconds, now see EC संसद का अपमान, भ्रष्टाचारियों का सम्मान, बोलेंगे जय संविधान, पर मन में इनके है भ्रष्टाचारियों का गुणगान. That भ्रष्टाचारियों का गुणगान has started even by this new party. Look, this new party, it used to say, I have got tweet of Kejriwal. Is parliament really supreme? Are we to treat Lalu, Mulayam, Sibal, Chiddu, Raja supreme? But फिर क्या हुआ? लालू के गले मिल गए थे. याद है ये लालू वाला गले वाला फोटो? ये देखो 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 देखो. ये होता है इनका कैसा यूटर्न हो गया. अब ये यूटर्न का पूरा, पर लालू इज कन्विक्टेड एंड दे आर स्टिल इन अलायंस विद लालू प्रसाद इन दिल्ली.
शहीद भगत सिंह.
And finally, just last 10 seconds, in 2010, Abhay Sandhu, he's the nephew of Bhagat Singh ji, he has said how Congress has always disrespected all the freedom fighters, whether it is Bhagwan Birsa Munda, whether it is Bhagat Singh ji, whether it is Sardar Patel. So this is the DNA of the Congress, that they always treat all our freedom fighters with disdain, call them even terrorists.
I want to get in Anmol Parmar of the Aam Aadmi Party. I want to ask you, Anmol Parmar, is this fair for somebody to threaten a chief minister without evidence, especially when he is out on bail himself, and his party to call Lalu Prasad Yadav, as Shehzad Poonawalla says, convicted in the Chara Ghotala, as Shahid Bhagat Singh?
Good evening, Navika ji. Navika ji, Bhagat Singh ji is a national hero. He's a revered national figure and a symbol of our shared ideals. And comparing him to someone who's convicted, it is deeply disrespectful, and such a comparison demands an apology. और जो अभी शहजाद पूनावाला जी कह रहे थे, जिस व्यक्ति ने कंपैरिजन किया है उस पे जब देशद्रोह का मुकदमा लगा था तो यही शहजाद पूनावाला जी उसके सपोर्ट में खड़े हो गए थे. सुन लीजिए, देखिए.
शहजाद साहब, दिल्ली पुलिस ने जो कन्हैया साहब पे देशद्रोह का मामला लगाया है, क्योंकि आप खुद एक एडवोकेट है, तो मैं आपसे एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या इस तरह किसी पर भी देशद्रोह का मामला लगाया जा सकता है? देखिए, इसमें दोहरे मापदंड देखिए कि बीजेपी की अलायंस है पीडीपी के साथ, जिन्होंने खुद अफजल गुरु के लिए बहुत सारी मांगे रखी है असेंबली में, उनके खिलाफ देशद्रोह नहीं लगा. गोडसे को देशभक्त कहने वाले साक्षी महाराज पे देशद्रोह नहीं लगा. गोडसे के मंदिर बनाने वाले हिंदू महासभा के ऊपर कभी देशद्रोह का मामला नहीं लगा. और देशद्रोह के मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का 1962 का फैसला है कि जब तक कि हिंसा ना हो.
जब कन्हैया कुमार के ऊपर देशद्रोह का मामला लगा तो शहजाद पूनावाला जी उनके समर्थन में खड़े थे कि क्यों लगा दिया उनके ऊपर देशद्रोह का मामला. तो इन्हें बताना चाहिए, जो कहते थे कि जी आरएसएस से बड़ा हिंदू है कन्हैया कुमार, आज जो है वो दूसरों की फोटो दिखाने के बजाय अपना बयान क्लैरिफाई कर दें कि कैसा ये धर्मांतरण, ये राजनीतिक धर्मांतरण कैसा हो गया आपका इतने साल में.
डोंट वरी.
ऑल राइट, शहजाद पूनावाला, क्वेश्चन टू यू.
धर्मांतरण तो ये होता है.
ऐसी भी अगर तुमसे जांच नहीं होती तो जांच करानी है, सोनिया गांधी को गिरफ्तार करो.
इस पे तो अश्विनी जी ज्ञान देंगे कि सोनिया गांधी को गिरफ्तार करना है कि नहीं. अरे सुन तो लो. अब पवार जी आप सुनिए ना, मैंने तो धैर्य से सुना, आप इतने उत्तेजित क्यों हो रहे हैं? जवाब तो देने दीजिए पवार जी. इतना आपने वीडियो सुनाया, ऑडियो सुनाया, सुनिए अब. नाविका, लेट देम लिसन टू द फुल. प्लीज प्ले द फुल ऑडियो. डू यू हैव फुल ऑडियो? The full audio is, I said that Delhi, there is a government of Arvind Kejriwal. The day Arvind Kejriwal gives the clearance for the charges against Kanhaiya Kumar, I will accept Arvind Kejriwal's version. And then Arvind Kejriwal government gave the go-ahead for the sedition charge against Kanhaiya Kumar. So I have been absolved. Now you tell me that why Arvind Kejriwal went and did alliance with Bhrasht Sonia, Bhrasht Lalu, Bhrasht Mulayam, और वो Jan Lokpal किधर गया? Where was your Jan Lokpal? See, the matter is only this, that they have. Now you're still in India Alliance, by the way. In Bihar, you're not in India Alliance, but you are in Delhi or in India Alliance. ये भी अजीब है कि वहां पे कुश्ती, यहाँ पे मस्ती, ये मतलब friendship with benefit. Anyway, you are still in India Alliance. You say I'm leaving India Alliance. Say I'm leaving Lalu Prasad. I'm leaving India Alliance, and we apologize for hugging this चारा चोर. बोल दो एक बार. बोलो. कैसे करेंगे ये? राहुल गांधी की पार्टी छोटे नवाब और भ्रष्टाचार, वो बड़े नवाब और भ्रष्टाचार.
One minute. Allow me to get in.
Allow me. Shahzad has showed something. Let me show something. In this video, Shahzad is sitting with Kanhaiya Kumar, and listen to what he is saying.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि it was before Delhi government gave the clearance. Yes.
सनातन धर्म को बहुत
मोदी जी सच्चे सनातनी नहीं है, वो सनातन धर्म को नहीं मानते हैं. उससे बड़े सनातनी तो बहुत लोग हैं. So Shahzad, you tell me which washing powder was used
I'll
for
tell you
you.
which washing powder.
Washing powder was. No, I'm not moving away from the debate. I'm coming back to the debate.
Just one reply. You know, when Rajiv Gandhi ji passed away, the DMK was accused of killing Rajiv Gandhi. Samajwadi Party called them Chirkut and they called them Chutoya. And they are in alliance and they are telling me, they are giving me lectures.
Well, everybody has the right to go around, come around, what have you.